For so long, I've been teaching you how to absorb the English language from the outside world, how to immerse yourself in the English environment, and how to become fluent by taking the information from the outside into your brain. But I haven't really spoken about how to express the feelings that don't come from the outside world and that actually come from you, from the inside. And I bet that there are thoughts of yours, feelings of yours that you want to express and that you perfectly well know how to say it in your language, but you have no clue how to say it all in English, right? That's why I'm here to help you do it. If you want to learn how, then stay until the end of the video and you'll have a very new skill perfectly learned. Let's go. First, make sure that you have your phone or your laptop with you. Second of all, make sure to install the Google Translator app to your phone. Third of all, make sure that you install Google Chrome. Why? Keep watching. So let's say new Spider-Man comes out and you watch the movie and you are so happy that you watched it and you want to tell your friends how awesome it is. But you just don't want to simply use the word awesome and cool all the time. In your language, you know all the words that could be used to express your positive feelings about the movie. So let's say I speak Spanish and I say,
La película fue excelente, pero ¿cómo digo esto en inglés? Sé qué hacer. Abrir la aplicación Google Translate y escribir toda la oración ahí. Veamos qué obtendré de eso. Ya lo veo.
The movie was first class,
Necesito aprender más sinónimos relacionados con esta palabra. Entonces abriré Google Chrome y buscaré sinónimos de first class. ¡Hay tantos de ellos! Excellent, exclusive, finest, 5-star, prime, top notch.
Me encanta esto. Was that hard? I don't think so. That's a very simple step. Take the whole sentence from your language, put it into Google Translator. I know Google Translator is not always accurate, but it can 80% to 90% or sometimes 100% help you. But in order to be more accurate, you take the word that you learned and you go to Google Chrome and you type in synonym. So you get all the synonyms related to that word. By the way, synonyms are words that have the same meaning, but the way we write them, they're different, that's all. The more synonyms you learn, the more fluent you become. The more options you get to express yourself deeply. Right. So this is an exercise that can help your inner thoughts and feelings come out. Try to do it every day. Write all the things down. Learn that way. And yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. I really enjoyed making it. By the way, last time I made a video about how to learn English within 30 minutes. The video is right here. Go check it out. If you like it, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And the book that I used in that video is in the description of the same video. So go open it, download the book, and enjoy it. For more fun acting, movie learning English kind of videos, go follow me on Instagram. It's right there. I love you. Mwah. Bye.